Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol REVO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've had a bunch of questions on this one come in, and a lot of people asking, what's going on with the chart? Is this play over? And my answer is really it depends. Meaning, if you're a day trader and you bought up here or something like that for some sort of quick scalp, obviously the play is over for you, or at least it should be. If it's not, then my guess is you're not being disciplined and honoring your stop losses. Now, if you're in this for a longer term swing trade or the overall chart, then the chart is not over. There is still hope. Now, before you go and call me crazy and say, how can there still be hope when there's a massive red candle like this? Well, again, if you care about the overall chart, then we have to look at the overall chart. If you're a day trader, then yeah, this one particular day would have said or would have told you the play's over. But for the overall chart players, there is still a chance. And where is this chance coming from? Well, it depends on what sort of pullback this is. Is this just going to be a consolidation pullback, meaning it puts in a higher low, or is this just going to be a pullback that turns into a reversal where the price ends up right back where it started? I don't know the answer to that question, but I do know how we can figure it out. So that's what we're going to do in this video. And the way we're going to figure that out is to look at the levels of support and use the levels of support as strength gauges in terms of kind of the health of the pullback. So the first level that we're going to want to watch is going to be right here, and that's at 0032. You can see here back in the history of the chart acted as resistance, although didn't quite hit it. Pretty darn close on that day. It got up as high as 0031. So 0031, 0032 is going to be that level of support. And actually, where did today hit? Today hit right off of 0032. So look at that. The power of charts. Technical analysis really does work when you know what to look for. So nice to see that little action there. But that's what you want to see continue to happen. And this would be the ideal scenario, meaning ideally you don't want to see it go any further down than this level of support here. But if it does, there is still a little bit of more hope because you have this pink line and purple line. The pink line being the 200-day simple moving average, purple line being the 50-day simple moving average. So let's just say that the price does come all the way down here, finds support, and then heads back up. Remember what I said. It's all about putting in a higher low. And the reason that matters is this set of lows would then be higher than this set. So when we would go to grab our trend line tool and draw the trend line, we would be able to draw an uptrend. And that's the name of the game, uptrend. So sure, nobody would want to see it go all the way down there. I understand that. But all I'm saying is the overall chart, if the price can put in a higher low and then head back up, that would be the beginning of a longer term uptrend. So that's why there is still hope for the overall players. But yeah, day traders, if you bought up in this area, you should be out. And like I said, if you're not out, then that just means you're not being disciplined. So that is where the chart currently stands. At this point, it's all a matter of what sort of pullback is this going to be. A pullback that turns into a reversal, or a healthy pullback that puts in a higher low and then heads back up. That's what we're looking for at this point in time. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charts, or maybe you already use charts and you're looking for some advanced strategies, I'd encourage you to click on the image up above. We have multiple instant download courses, everything from beginners up to advanced traders. The courses have all been getting good third-party reviews and testimonials, so I'd encourage you to click on that image and check them out and give them a try. One more time, this is REVO. Thanks for listening.